Video introduce about Autel MaxiSys EV Diagnostics Upgrade Kit. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. The EV Diagnostics Upgrade Kit includes EV diagram box and adapters for specific electric vehicles to perform battery pack analysis. The EV diagram box is compatible with the MaxiSys Ultra, MaxiSys Ultra ADAS, MaxiSys MS919, and MaxiSys MS909 tablets. EV diagram box connects to Maxi Flash VCI or VCMI. Comprehensive diagnostic. 1. Supports thousands of models, including popular EV brands such as BMW, Volkswagen/Audi, and Tesla, and new brand and model entries. Fault diagnostics for traditional fuel, electric, and hybrid vehicles. Comprehensive battery pack inspection. 2. Vehicle-specific high-voltage system block diagram, component description, circuit diagram, socket diagram, graphical data representation display automatically. Integrated maintenance instruction and help information. Battery pack. 1 one-tap battery pack state of charge and state of health, SOH. Provides detailed battery information, including module location, battery analysis, and professional battery maintenance recommendations. 2. Schematics of special battery connectors and jumper connection, cable selection prompts, safety precaution reminders, and detailed, safe operation guidelines. 3. Supports battery pack diagnosis via OBD, battery connector, jumper connection, intuitive, easy-to-use interface. Intelligent diagnostics. The new second-generation topology system mapping offers more comprehensive coverage, faster scanning, and more accurate matching. Ability to read and erase codes and view live data on high-voltage EV systems, support both local and remote diagnostics with expert services within reach for increased shop efficiency. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. And important, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.